too bad as long as you switch directions, run down one way and then the other. Whatever downside there is to running on a slant, at least you'll minimize it by distributing it over both your legs. So I guess this beach is about 1 mile long. I'm in kind of the moderate sand, not too squishy, not too firm. That sea ocean air is so fresh, so clean. So fresh and so clean, clean. So fresh and so clean, clean. Ooh, gotta dodge that foam. I do not want wet sneakers. Wow, sand is so low impact. Even better than grass. Each stride, you have to stabilize your muscles, engage your core. It's a whole different ball game. This is definitely harder than running on my trails. I'm 1.2 miles in. Feels like I'm 2.2 miles in. That extra resistance is no joke. If you're new to beach running, you probably want to take it slow. Probably want to break it in. Do like half your normal easy run mileage. Watch this wave. Boom! So this is like a workout that's similar to like uphill running. You're getting a lot of resistance, but with very little impact. And hopefully reduced recovery time. You can see Pebble Beach golf course behind me. You won't see me golfing there. One, because I'm terrible at golf, and two, I don't want to pay $500 a round. So it's been hard. Luckily, it's really cool. It's mid-50s, so heat is not an issue. But it's the resistance, man. Every stride is a battle. Man, if you did this once a week, every other week, it's a whole different form of resistance training that's available to you if you have a beach, a good beach like this, one that's long with good sand. I can see how it could really benefit your running. Okay, wrapping up this beach run, like 2.5 miles, 25 minutes. Okay, so you can't beat the beauty, the fresh air. The surroundings are amazing. The low impact sand is great for the reasons I described. Again, break in your beach runs easy. I'd keep it to under 2 miles for starters. Anyways, it's a great run. We'll check you out later.